Just for the record, I would not do this on a car, ever. Because we don't have time for testing, we need to act. What's going on, everyone? We're back with some more mini truck stuff. We're super excited. We're gonna lower the front. It won't look like a North Carolina lean going on no more. We're kind of guessing because we're gonna chop the springs. I've never cut springs before. This will be a first time. So we just keep it in it and then we just sawzall.
You keep the thing in there? Are you fucking out of your mind?
Dude, we could do that.
Are you sure? I don't believe you, but I would like to watch you do it. I'll stand over here and wait for that shit to explode.
We'll just call OJA and see if they approve. And then, yeah, if you do the OJA squint, I'm sure it'll be okay.
We're gonna guesstimate on where to cut this spring and just go from there, I guess. It looks pretty easy to get it out. We just have to take the wheel off and take like 5 bolts out and it's gonna come out.
I mean, if you can't figure out how to take a wheel off,
look at how baby this break.
It's the size of my hand. Look at that. Yeah. But my hands are pretty big and manly though.
This one might be easy to get at.
we can do it from the inside of the door.
It's like up on the footwell. Yeah.
What? See these? Don't worry about those. Nice.
Oh. It's bright. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you take out suspension.
Super easy on this.
Nice.
Where are you gonna cut it now?
Right in the middle.
Was this coming off?
It was.
You fucker.
Oh. You just gotta be a man. Ooh, I thought you were gonna punch yourself. That would've
Wow,
been
look
funny.
at how nice and new that
I know,
is.
yeah. If only they could do that with everything, right? What's it smell like? Ooh, it actually smells different. It smells like a campfire.
It smells like California.
It smells like a campfire, doesn't it?
Yep.
Smell that.
Yeah, that's weird.
It smells like a damn campfire.
After the campfire goes
Yeah.
out though.
And like the next morning?
Or the next morning, yeah. Maybe like when it rains.
Why are we smelling a shark?
So we have
The small part of the spring does what? The big part of the spring does what?
I think the small spring absorbs and this takes the load. The little part takes the bumps, this takes weight. But I could be wrong.
He knows quite a bit about taking loads. So.
That's true, you're probably right.
Wow. Yeah. Oh.
Shoot.
What'd you do?
How did all this stuff go? Worst comes to worst, I'll just stack something underneath here and
Make it.
just fine tune it when I need to, but we're gonna lop perfect 360 spot with what?
That's all. That worked better on the steel yesterday. So my guess is they made it out of the same steel.
Well, this is sprung steel.
Supposedly.
Supposedly.
Our truck just got lower.
A lot lower.
Like an inch and a half.
We're not even gonna test it, we're just gonna throw it in. Because we don't have time for testing, we need to act.
We need to act. Taking a large risk is how you get a large reward.
Or you get a large hunk of shit.
That too.
You never try, never know.
Perfect. Oh, perfect. Cool, and then we can just weld them back in if we ever feel like we need to, right?
I don't know.
Round 2. I can't wait until we get it in there and like one side is higher than the other one.
That's the left side? No.
Hi, buddy. What is this? What is this? Hi.
That's not a toy.
It looks like it doesn't help.
He's trying to nip it.
Don't. No. I can hear you when you do that. That's all you're doing.
Goofy.
Just get you in the nuts.
Did he do that to you?
No.
Oh, that's
He has respect for me.
He just nose punched me right in my face. I thought he would veer off to the side. No, did he?
Alright. Tire's going back on.
Alright, let's see how this sucker looks.
Whew! Okay. We're a little.
Jumps on that side.
Yeah. You really didn't go down too far, to be honest. It is low, but it's not.
Shit, we can go another coil.
Do we need more low? Could it be possible we need more low?
I say we keep it like that. Hey, wait. We're gonna get in at the same time, and Robbie, you watch the gap. Ready, set.
Ooh.
Anything?
Yeah, you probably got like an 1/8 of an inch.
It only went down an 1/8 inch?
Yeah. It didn't go down far. I think we're good. It's sitting. Put the level on the vehicle.
Got the level on the bed, and it's actually sitting a little bit like
Higher.
that.
Test drive?
Test drive.
Test drive.
That's right.
We ran into a slight issue. The inside of the
We didn't take into account the camber situation.
yeah. So there's more camber, which pushes the inside of the wheel, and now it's touching the strut.
Rubby.
Rubby.
You know, if you drove it long enough, it might rub away.
That's
That's
not-
the next plan.
All right. So we
Just
couldn't-
for the record, I would not do this on a car, ever.
Don't ever do this on a car. This thing doesn't go very fast, and we could still probably get hurt. However,
Chances are much lower than a regular car.
we didn't have any option as far as wheel spacers readily available in town. So we got some washers in there.
And that's perfect.
Don't do this at home, but we're using washers for spacers.
That's what that noise was.
We
that I
made
was
it
hearing.
like 3 drives in this thing, and there's already a screw in my tire.
Let's take this on out of here. Not far enough to puncture. Well, I can hear the ocean. You're good.
That's annoying as
We pick up after ourselves.
yeah.
Uno, dos, tres. Uno, dos, tres. Uno, dos, tres. You know.
The sun is coming out. Holy smokes.
First time. Oh, you can see through the sun visor.
That's how thin they are. You can see through. That's actually kind of nice. Almost. It's not nearly as aggressive as it was. It's still pretty aggressive. That noise was the wheel not being on tight.
Another reason why these are not safe.
Yeah, they're gonna do for now. We're gonna order some actual spacers immediately. Yeah, that's definitely better already. Yeah, the wheels just weren't tight. That's nice.
That's really nice.
It's nice when it's on the smooth road. No issues.
So that's where the steering wheel needs to go.
She's a little bit askew.
It doesn't pull. Pretty smooth for a dirt road.
Yeah. Taking our low-speed vehicle on its dirt road adventure, like it should be, like a farm truck or something.
Everybody needs to go on at least one dirt road adventure.
I don't know about all that.
See if the e-brake works.
Can we skirt?
Nope. In the winter we will.
All right.
Rubbing's minimal.
Yeah, it's not bad. I feel like it's worse on you guys' road, like your development road, which is weird.
Even
but-
this dirt road is better.
yeah, this dirt road is nice. We can fit the Jeep in the back, we think. We haven't tried it yet. We're gonna give it a whirl.
We can fit the Jeep in the back, whether or not it bottoms out the entire time.
Yeah. Is it gonna be too heavy is the question. Because it doesn't bottom out with me in the back.
Yeah, and you're heavier than a four-wheeler.
We're gonna try an easy unload just because why not? Is it rubbing? I think it's got just maybe a little bit of space. She's rubbing.
So this is the first time testing the loading capabilities. So we're gonna immediately test the quick unload capabilities.
Yes. Nothing. That wasn't even that
fast in reverse.
It doesn't go that fast in reverse?
That's how fast it goes.
Oh.
We should change that.
We should have changed that.
That's it for today. Lower in the front. We chopped the front. It ended up to be just perfect. We put a level on the back, and if anything, it might be tilting forward just a tick. We're not gonna have to mess with the height anymore. Now it's just gonna be the extra stuff. It's gonna make it look a lot lower. So we got plenty more stuff on the mini truck to come. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.